Hello and welcome to Rev Sports. If you're thinking why are we smiling, could be nervous excitement because that's how the Indian camp practiced today. You could feel that nervous excitement and a ray of hope, as you can see right coming across Snehashish's cheeks as the cars go by. If you are wondering where are we standing, you should not wonder because you should know by now where are we. But even then, we are right in front of the D.Y. Patil Stadium where it's the media gate. From here there is a longish walk of a kilometer and then you go inside. In between there is a herbal garden. By tomorrow I will tell you if there are some herbal teas available, but today's tea will be all about the practice session. Just break it down: the India practice session, the PC points, and then the New Zealand PC practice session.
Okay, so starting with the India
and
practice.
your challenge is it has to be as short as possible.
Okay, done. So that's the biggest challenge. Okay, so first starting with the India practice session. So the first point is that everyone came for the practice, and Richa Ghosh, as usual, like Indore, here also she practiced on the field, along with the coaching staff, the wicket-keeping coach and all, everything, and same drills for the wicket-keeping drills and all, and she batted also in the nets on the field. But in a second field where the nets were there, every batters batted, every bowlers were bowling, and obviously Renuka Singh Thakur was there, Amanjot was there, and Jemimah also had a long session. But the interesting point was, Trishati, that Jemimah had a longish chat with Smriti Mandhana.
Yeah.
It was clear that Smriti Mandhana was talking about her stance and all. After every ball, they were having a chat, how maybe, she could tackle a ball, she could go for other option for a specific delivery. So it was a longish chat. Harmanpreet Kaur also batted for a long time. She also had a defined session with Amal Majumdar, as Amal Majumdar was throwing the ball.
For the first time, we saw us,
Amal Majumdar busy
watching Amal Majumdar converted into coaching Amal Majumdar.
Yes. And they also had a longer chat after that. So yes, but overall, apart from that, every other bowlers were there and some net bowlers were there, obviously left-arm spinners, and Jemimah struggled a bit against left-arm spinners, but my question is, Trishati, there is no left-arm spinner in New Zealand.
Yeah, I was also wondering, does that mean that Jemmy is not playing, or does that mean, I'm not 100% sure what was still. That. But also the net bowlers were extremely poor today.
Yes, and by the way, one left-arm pacer was there. And obviously we thought, okay, they are practicing for Ealing. But the way that net bowler bowled,
I don't think Ealing is going to bowl that way to us.
Yes.
Or to anybody for that matter. I don't think to her nieces or nephews also, who must be kids also.
Even Indian batters were a bit frustrated, I would say.
I think towards the end, Amanjot was really frustrated. You could see that. But that's quite weird. I think again, it depends on the batch of net bowlers sent. I thought there were very good net bowlers in Vizag. There were very good net bowlers in Indore. Not 100% sure what happened here. But yeah, I think the net bowlers, maybe they were young, but the line and length, I don't think that is what the Indian batters really wanted. And that's why probably we saw the bowling coach Avishkar Salvi bowling.
Yes, Avishkar Salvi also bowled. And that was also, I think, first time we have seen in this World Cup tour that he was also bowling to the batters. So I think that was the main talking point from the Indian practice sessions. And when it comes to PC, again, Amal Majumdar, head coach, came for the PC. And it was I will say, there is nothing so much newsy or something. Obviously, he said that we all know that what happened in the last 3 games, we couldn't finish that well. We'll look to do well tomorrow. Every batter accepted the mistake.
For a second when he started the PC, and after some time, because it's very hot, it was very hot. Since the Indian team could not practice yesterday, they started practicing a little earlier, and it was hot back then. Then we went to the PC room. There it was a little cold and all. When he started speaking, after 1 or 2 questions, I was like, why have I heard this PC earlier? Serious deja vu, because he almost said the same things that he had said after the Australia match.
Yeah, exactly the same, that about we have to finish well and all. But I think one good point was that every batter had accepted that they had made the mistake and they should go carry on that innings against England, especially those 3 batters, Smriti Mandhana, Harmanpreet Kaur and Deepti Sharma. Again, he also praised about Deepti Sharma, the way she has played throughout the tournament, all-round brilliance with the bat, with the ball. He also talked highly about Kranti Gaur, the way She has performed, since her arrival in the international cricket, and also he praised about the captain Harmanpreet Kaur. That she has been leading fantastically well. Some days result might not go in your way, but he is hopeful that in the upcoming 2 matches some hundreds might be coming for our batters and some good results might be waiting. So that's the main talking point from Amul Majumdar. Now focus shifts to New Zealand practice session, and it was a fun way to start the practice session.
Before practice, of course, talk about the Sophie Devine PC.
Before practice they had the PC only. Sophie Devine came, and obviously Sophie Devine joked about the rain following them everywhere. Because today also, when we are recording this, there's a high chance maybe somehow suddenly rain might come, because some cold breeze is blowing right now, so that might happen. And then obviously apart from that, she also said that the pressure is all about on India, rather than on themselves. Obviously they are also in a tricky situation, and this is a virtual knockout for both the teams, but she said that the way the Indian media and everyone will put the pressure all on India only. So and she's looking forward to the challenge. She also said for Amelia Kate, because she has played for Mumbai Indians, she also knows that Amelia Kate has played many games here only in this stadium. So she hoped that some fans might come to support Emilia, and some fans might come to support New Zealand then, but let's see. It will be a great match. So that was the main talking point from it was a very short PC, like for 5 minutes only.
And then when Snehashish and I went to see the New Zealand practice, for a second we forgot that it was practice session.
Cricket practice.
I thought it was a cricket practice session, that too for a do or die match. We thought it is almost a DJ session going on with Amelia Kerr's phone flying. Please describe that incident, because
there is a sound box basically that the full team was carrying, right? So when they started with football. Excellent footballers this team have, I must say. The balls doesn't go to the direction that where they want. Always go in the opposite direction. So they are very excellent footballers, but they enjoy that. That. That's the main part. That the whole team enjoys that. Yes?
Every time somebody hits the ball, they're laughing because it goes in the exactly. If they're trying to hit it here, the ball ends up there, and 5 of them are laughing.
Yes. So that was a very that a good way to start
unique football session.
Unique football session, but music was loud. Music was going on. Then everyone went back to the dressing room, and they came back with the batters and the bowlers came up. But it was Sophie Devine, the first one who started bowling. And that shows the commitment. I think 5th World Cup, right? 5th World Cup, last World Cup, still capturing the side, the fitness. That at this age, and the way she is showing the commitment,
the kind of touch she has been in is just brilliant.
Yes, she was the first one to bowl at the nest. Then every batters came, they had their stint, and bowlers also.
You have still not told them how Amelia Kerr came in.
Yes, when Amelia Kerr came in for the practice, so she was carrying her bat in one hand, and in the other hand the music system box was there, and her phone was above that music system box. So it was very gently was coming, balancing everything, but somehow she failed that. Suddenly the phone went like boom, like it went flying off, and
for a second, instead of a phone, it became a flying saucer.
Yes, absolutely. And one of the media persons went there and picked up the phone and gave it to her. So that was the story. But I think one thing we have noticed that Bri Illing, I think there is some fitness issue, because the pacer didn't bowl, I will say that full throttle, but most of the time she was seeing stretching this with support stuff and all. So I think there is some fitness issue, because in the last match she was also not there. So that will be interesting to see whether she plays or not tomorrow, because what I think that she can be an X factor for New Zealand with the new ball, with the swing that angle, she gets, and with the angle, especially against Pratika Rawal, someone like Pratika Rawal. So let's see whether she plays or not. But this is all the updates from the
absolutely. And when you speak of Bri Illing, we also have to speak about something that I noticed. I'm not 100% sure what that is exactly, but there is some problem with Renuka. No, the team does not have a problem with Renuka. The body, Renuka's body, I think there's a sort of cramp or something happening, because when she walked out with Sneha Rana,
Yeah.
I clearly remember Sneha Rana had her hands on Renuka's
Pat.
shoulder and she was continuously patting, and Renuka was visibly extremely upset. So ideally, maybe we could, and Amal Mazumdar has mentioned this, that the team composition might change tomorrow depending on the pitch and conditions. High chances it will change. Initially, of course, I thought it would be Jemmy in place of Amanjot, which I still think. But if Renuka is unfit, then we could see Jemmy in place of Renuka, because I don't see Arundhati coming in. So it will be Jemmy in place of Renuka then. Let's hope not, because I think we would need Renuka right at the top. We need two bowlers, two attacking bowlers. But let's see what happens. That's it from the practice wrap. Do keep watching Rev Sports and like, share and subscribe as we keep repeating, and yet you do not do. Please like, share and
Yes,
subscribe.
please.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.